Hi there. So I am Rauf, and today we're going to talk about Imblearn or Imblearn. So it is another library for machine learning which is used for handling imbalanced data sets. Okay, so let's start our video. So first of all, let's see what is Imblearn or Imblearn. So Imblearn or Imbalanced Learn is a Python library designed to address imbalanced dataset in machine learning. It provides techniques for oversampling, undersampling, and generate synthetic samples to improve model performance. So when we get an imbalanced data, like we have the one dataset is high and other dataset is low, mean what some categories are more than the other categories. Then we use some sampling method. Then we oversample or undersample our model. So the final result, the final data should be sampled. Means it will be equal from both sides. Both categories should be equal. That's why we use some libraries like Imblearn to imbalance our imbalanced data. Okay, so let's see a few examples of random sampling and random undersampling or oversampling and other few things. Okay, so let's start with the random oversampling or random oversampler with a random oversampler. So first you have to import from Imblearn.oversampling import randoms oversampler. Okay, then you can use that for by assigning it to the rows variable, and then you can assign it like random oversampler and and you can assign the random state value for 2. You can assign any value here, it is your wish. Okay, after that you can see we are oversampling resampling the x and y, and then we are assigning them to x dot resampled and y dot resampled, and then we are using yours dot fit dot sample dot, and then we are putting x and y values. After that the oversampler will randomly duplicate minority classes samples to imbalance the data, but to balance the data. So after that the output should be x resampled and y resampled are arrays containing the balanced data set. Okay, so it will balance the data set. Another trick is random undersampler. The process is same. First we use to import Imblearn dot undersampling import random undersampler. Then we can assign it to the RUS, where before that previously we assigned ROS for the random oversampler. Now for random undersampler we are assigning it to the RUS. Okay, then we are assigning the same random state for 2. You can assign here any value you like, but I am assigning it for 2. Now it will randomize the data set. Okay, after that you can see I am showing the same thing, but now here I am using the undersampler, and I can see the result should be first it will randomly remove samples from the majority class to imbalance the data set, to balance the data set. So after that you can see x reshaped and y reshaped are arrays containing the balanced data set, so it will also balance the data set like that. Okay, so after that there are two more things about the Imblearn you should learn, like the synthetic minority oversampling technique, SMOT. So let's see what is SMOT. Well, SMOT creates new synthetic artificial samples for the minority class, helping them balance the data set and improve model training by providing more examples of minority class. Okay, so we can use SMOT by using assigning it. First you have to import it from the oversampler module SMOT, then you can assign it to the value SMOT, and then you can use a SMOT name, SMOT name, and then you can randomize the state to the 4 2, and then you can use the same step you used before that, like x reshaped y reshaped, then equal to you can put the x and y value, and then you can fit the resample, and you get the x reshaped and y reshaped are arrays containing the balanced data set. You can get the balanced data set by using this. Okay, another one is adaptive synthetic sampling or addition. Well, let's see what is addition. Well, addition, it's synthetic sample generation to focus on minority class examples that are harder to classify, making it effective for data sets where minority class samples are more challenging to learn from. Okay, so here you can see use addition by using the same thing, like first you have to from oversampling import addition, then you can generate synthetic samples for the minority class focusing on harder learned examples. Okay, so first you can assign the addition random state for 2, then you can assign x reshaped and y reshaped. Addition dot fit reshaped x and y, and you can fit the you can assign the values to the x reshaped and y reshaped by by adding the x and y value. You should have the x and y value. This is the just small example. You have to entire code. If you are not in the ML stuff right now, you can watch the machine learning playlist of mine where I show the machine learning concept. Okay, so it is after the it is just for balancing data set, so it's not that much effect. Okay, so first you can see the output should be also the balanced data set we can get. So we can use these four tricks to balance our data set. Okay, so yeah, this was the small intro, short intro about the Imblearn. Imblearn is a good library for balancing a data set, and it is very useful for the machine learning task. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you like it. Sorry for some confusing. I am still getting better to it day by day. Thanks for supporting me, and I will see you in another video. Bye.